There's two things all chefs know. Fridge space is prime real estate, and condiments are non-negotiable. Salsa Macha. Salsa Macha is the Mexican rendition of Chinese chili crisp. Salsa Macha takes whole dried chilies plus nuts. This condiment's chock full of nuts. Talking peanuts, almonds, sometimes pepitas, sesame seeds, where you're going to take a hot oil, add your peanuts and your whole cloves of garlic, and then fry those up for about 8 minutes. I like using dry roasted peanuts because I'm just like doubling down on that like deep, rich peanut flavor. Add your chilies, they're gonna bloom. Your ancho chilies turn to like brick red. Take those out, turn the oil off, dump your sesame seeds in. What sets ours apart? Rio Grande. Rio Grande is like our Tex-Mex fajita inspired blend. Add everything to a blender, including Rio Grande. Pulse everything down into a paste and slowly add your hot oil back in. Put it into a jar, done. You can put salsa macha on everything. Grilled pineapple, you could put it on roasted corn, and that heat that's kicked up from the arbol chili. You could also use like morita chilies. We went for more traditional with the ancho chili, the chile de arbol. Then we stepped outside of the box and experimented with flavor with Rio Grande. Salsa macha, condiment worth keeping.